IGCSE Computer Science, Syllabus Statement 1.1.2e, represent numbers stored in registers and main memory as hexadecimal. So when we say represent numbers stored in registers and main memory, we're referring to binary numbers. So we know that computers read binary values, such as this. But humans most likely, again, find it easier to read hexadecimal values rather than binary. So 9b would be the equivalent, the hexadecimal equivalent to this binary value. So when we're looking at registers and main memory, like if a human were to program in a low-level language and wanted to alter this binary number in a register, then they could work in hexadecimal for their ease. So like changing this value to this value, which I can't be bothered to read out because I'm lazy, would be changing 9b to ed. And of course if you check that, 1110 is E, 1101 is D. So you might get a question on the exam, like an 8-bit register is used to control a washing machine, just like this was actually in the fourth video, this example, the washing machine, when we were looking at the uses of binary. Now we're using it here. But show how only washing machine is on and valve is on will be represented in hexadecimal. So first we look at the binary value of this condition, which would be 10100101, and of course if you plug in the values into this register, it'll be machine on, valve on, and the rest off. So what we do is convert this number to hexadecimal, and that would be A5. Check that. Yeah, it looks, yeah. So again, we can kind of see why programmers would prefer to use hexadecimal rather than binary, but this time in a register.